calmer you are the clearer you. Think, accept what is, let go of what was, have faith in what will be. The moment when you want to quit is the moment when you need to keep pushing. Focus on improving yourself, not proving yourself. 2 things define you: your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. Don't quit, nothing lasts forever, not even pain. Control your thoughts, or your thoughts will control you. Become a ghost, forget attention, just grow in private. Push yourself to be your best. No one else is going to do it for you. Keep it private until it's permanent. You only fare when you stop trying. Everyone leaves. Learn how to survive alone. Surround yourself with people who talk about visions and ideas, not people. Sometimes when things are falling apart, they may actually be falling into place. Some people are like clouds. When they disappear, it's a beautiful day. Value your peace of mind. You can't reach what's in front of you until you'll let go of what's behind you. To be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. Life is like an elevator on your way up. Sometimes you have to stop and let some people off. Weak people revenge strong people. Forgive intelligent people. Ignore the master has failed more times than the beginner has even tried. What consumes your mind controls your life. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't chain you. Admit when you're wrong. Shut up when you're right. Only trust someone who can see these 3 things in you: the sorrow behind your smile, the love behind your anger, and the reason behind your silence. If your absence doesn't affect them, your presence never mattered. Work for a cause, not for applause. Live life to express, not to impress. Once you realize you deserve better, letting go will be the best decision ever. Always know the difference between what you're getting and what you deserve. Don't be afraid of being different. Be afraid of being the same as everyone else. The truth doesn't cost anything, but a lie could cost you everything. Sometimes your circle decreases in size, but increases in value. One day you will wake up and there won't be any more time to do the things you've always wanted. Do it now. Respect is earned. Honesty is appreciated. Trust is gained. Loyalty is returned. You have to fight through some bad days to earn the best days of your life be expert in anything was once. Beginner, the only time you should ever look back is to see how far you've come. Thou kills more dreams than failure ever will. In the face of adversity, remember that diamonds are made under pressure. Stay away from people who make you feel lonely. No company is better than a bad company. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. No one is going to figure out your life. It's your responsibility. The first step to getting anywhere is deciding you're not willing to stay where you are. The true test of a man's character is what he does when no one is watching. Don't go broke trying to impress broke people. You avoid disappointment. Expect nothing from nobody. Do your best and trust the process. The harder you work, the luckier you will get. Life isn't fair, but it's still good. Isle was not courageous is enough to take risks. Will accomplish nothing in life. Yourself a favor. Get rich. Life gets easier with money, not time. If you are a giver, remember to learn your limits, because the takers don't have any. You have 3 choices in life. You can watch things happen, make things happen. I'll wonder what the hell happened. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Wanting to be someone else is a waste of who you are. If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. Sometimes you have to let go of something good to make room for something better. What other people think of you is none of your business. You can't start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. Life is like a coin. You can spend it any way you wish, but you only spend it once. Practice self-compassion. We are all human and everyone makes mistakes. Time heals almost everything. Give it time. You cannot change the direction of the wind, but you can adjust your sails to reach your music destination. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. A river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. The best view comes after the hardest climb. You'll never find a rainbow if you're looking down. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. You are confined only by the walls you build. Music yourself. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. I think there is only one quality worse than hardness of heart, and that is softness of head, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest the longer we dwell on our misfortunes, the greater is their power to harm us. If you think you can do a thing, or think you can't do a thing, you're right. Don't hit it at all if it is honorably possible to avoid hitting, but never hit. Soft, do what you can with what you have, where you